on my face, cause I'm from Ken-Tenn. Ken-Tenn, this that Ken-Tenn. That's just how we do it in the Ken-Tenn. I'm from Ken-Tenn. Ken-Tenn.
Man, y'all see what's going on, man. Ken-Tenn Customs out here. Just bought a bubble Chevy, man. My son's first car. What y'all think? Y'all see what's going on? Ken-Tenn Customs. Y'all see what the fuck's going on. Bubble Chevy gang now. You hear me? Yeah, man. Ken-Tenn Customs, man, bringing home that bubble pressure. Now we have box Chevy pressure. Now we about to apply bubble Chevy pressure with my son's bubble, man. 1994 Caprice Classic. Y'all see what's going on. You better believe we're gonna show them up too. Gonna show them up, most definitely, man. Pressure, all 2021, man. Y'all know what time it is. What y'all think, man? What y'all think? 94 bubble. Do everything to get it, you know, 100% A1, and then, you know, to the paint shop. Y'all know what time it is. Pressure! All 2021, man. Got that Impala SS grill on it, on it. Y'all see what time it is. Bubble Chevy gang, man. Boxes and bubbles. They like brothers, you hear me? Man, just pulled in, man, with the bubble Chevy, man. Made it back safe and sound. U-Haul pulled again, man. Get the bubble Chevy, man. 94 Caprice Classic. Just brought it home. What you think, Coda?
I love it.
You like it? There's the keys. All right, go check it out. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe, and go to www.Ken-TennCustoms.com and pick you up all this fire-ass merch. Pressure! All 2021, you hear me? All right, squad.